Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about hybridization, and I'm going to hit your high yield points that you'll find in your MCAT and your DAT. You really don't need to understand the theory behind any of this, so I'm going to exclude it because it gets complicated and there's no need for you to waste that energy learning it. In order to understand hybridization, we first have to understand the concept of electron domains, which I have another video on, but just in case you haven't seen it, I'm going to go ahead and refresh your memory. So, what electron domains are, it is the number of electrons or the number of pairs of electrons, so the number of things coming off the central atom in a molecule. So right here, let's look at this carbonyl right there, this carbonyl molecule. All right, how many electron domains does it have? So some people get tripped up. A lot of people would say, oh, I see 4 lines coming off of the carbon, so there's 4 things, but you have to remember with electron domains, it's a number of things coming off in different directions. So here you have 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 different things coming off of here, so we would say it has 3 electron domains. When you go below it, looking at this molecule right here, again I labeled it under the 3s because it has 3 electron domains because there's 3 things coming off of this. Now, if for some reason that boron molecule had a lone pair of electrons like this, then this would no longer be 3, it would be 4. But that is beside the point. I just want to make this as simplistic as possible for you. Moving on, when we look at carbon dioxide, how many things are coming off of it? So there's 2 electron domains for this central carbon, although a lot of people might think there's 4 because they see these 2 lines and these 2 lines, but remember it's in different directions, so there's only 2 electron domains here. Moving over to the right, let's look at our water molecule. So, how many electron domains? Again, water has 4 because you have this lone pair counting as 1, this lone pair counts as another, and then these lines, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If we go to the molecule below it, which is just methane, again we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this category has 4 different things coming off of it. And lastly, this molecule right here, coming off the central atom, you have 5, not 6. So this lone pair counts as 1 electron domain. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's really all there is to electron domains. And when it comes to hybridization, we are going to assign our hybridization number via the number of electron domains. So it really is as simplistic. So if you have 2 electron domains, it's sp. You have 3, it's sp2. 4 is sp3. 5 is sp3d. That is important to keep account of. And then 6 should be sp3d2. The theory behind it isn't necessarily as important. It's just pretty easy to memorize because you can just remember you have to go up 1 each time. And this will get you a very long way on your test. Alright, so let's try to put this to the test and see if we are understanding what is going on here. Let me draw on your lone pairs of electrons here for the oxygen of the carbonyl. Alright, let's start with this carbon right here. How many electron domains does it have? It has 3 electron domains, which means it is what? sp2 hybridization. And you can just kind of remember for carbonyls, they're always going to be sp2 like that, so that can save you time on your test. Coming over here to this carbon, how many electron domains do you have coming off of it? You have 2 electron domains. So what would its hybridization be? It will be sp. And again, this could pop up on your general chemistry section. This is typically more of an organic chemistry ordeal, but I think I actually had a question in Gen Chem that was about hybridization, or at least electron domain. So it's good for you to know. So let's come over here to this oxygen. How many electron domains is coming off of this oxygen? The answer is 3. The lone pair, 1. The other lone pair counts as 2, and this double bond here counts as 1 because it's the things in different directions. 3 electron domains, which means what hybridization will it be? It will be sp2. And that's really all there is to it, guys. If you have any questions, please just leave them below in the comments, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Good luck studying.